Go follow me at in Instagram, Jonathan_Quest, SoundCloud.com, JQ Music with a K for my music, and go get my album on Bandcamp.com. Writers of the Century, To the Greats, with me and Ada Great. Shout out Sonderville, BTA, Den Keeper, all my peoples worldwide. Got a little treat for y'all, more food recipes. Go check out the Recipe Hub. Has great videos. I believe she's from Europe. Alright. You've never done anything like this with white bread. Great new recipe. Let's go. Shorty got nice fingernails and hands and yeah. Ketchup. Mozzarella. Shorty got a tap. Maybe when she gon' let me hit that. Hamon. Canadian bacon. Oh, that's slamming. That's slamming, boy. That's swamming. That's swamming. Onion. I have no idea what that says. Banging, bro. Freaking banging. Red pepper. Paprika. 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 I get so hungry watching this shit. For real. Salami. Yo, I swear, the meats in Europe. The meats in Europe. Comment, like, and subscribe. But comment specifically. Tell me the meats ain't banging in Europe. Oh, man, that's fire. Simple ingredients. That's why I love it. Oh, now you're gonna shred them up. Mozzarella, nice. Shred that hoe. 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 Get that dough. Wow. Does she cook it? Ooh, we not, oh, it's not over yet. Tomata. You say tomato, I say tomato. Nah, don't tell me you gonna eat that cold. Nah, you gotta heat that up. Alright, cool. I was about to say, no way. Should put the tomato after, honestly. Banging, 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 outstanding, banging. Damn, I hope this bitch gotta be a chef, yo. Oh, that's like what do you call that? A roll, like a pizza roll, a Parmesan roll. She does it so good. I tried doing one of these recipes. That was a fail, complete fail. Yeah, that was really good, man. Go subscribe to her ish. It's right there. Recept Hub. And I will keep doing her stuff.
Hyundai Sonata versus Honda Accord.
Don't go to dealerships. They extort people. Have a good night. Do what you gotta do.